Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-25 TZ5. It is a 5-zone world time zone clock. And as you can see, we have 5 time zones with vinyl lettering, the 2-inch high vinyl lettering, and then 2.3-inch high LED digits. Comes with an all extruded aluminum enclosure. They all have set push buttons, environmentally push button set switches on top. So the master has 12 24-hour, where you can set them all to 12 or 24-hour. Master has set hours and also set minutes. Master synchronizes all the other cities or locations to the correct second. Each city or location has set hours and then also 15-minute offset on that same button. So first you want to set your offset from the master, and then push your hour set. So you want to hold for your 15 minutes and then push for your hour set. Each time zone has that. To mount it, it has mounting tabs that can be moved in and out of this channel. We usually put 4 of them on here on the size of a time zone. Comes with a AA, 2 AA batteries for battery backup in case power failure. And then also it comes with 120 power with a 6-foot cord. Again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and I'm demonstrating a DC-25 TZ5. Thank you.